Welcome to the Workday Reporting for Business Users video series. In this video, we'll discuss what report performance is and what factors can affect it. We'll also discuss how security affects report access and data viewing. While a business user might not be able to fine-tune the inner workings of Workday reports like a report writer can, you have significant amount of control over report performance and how you use and request those reports. So, what is report performance? Report performance is a measure of how quickly and efficiently your Workday reports run. There are a number of factors within your control that contribute to the time it takes for a report to run. Let's break them down. Report design. Reports with a large number of fields, complex calculations, and numerous filters require more processing time. Consider whether all elements are essential for your business needs. Data volume. The amount of data a report retrieves significantly impacts performance. Requesting data for a smaller scope, such as a specific department or team, can improve efficiency. Time of day. Like any system, Workday experiences peak usage periods. Running reports during off-peak hours can sometimes result in faster processing. And prompt values. Be as specific as possible when using prompts to filter your data. Broad filters require Workday to process a larger dataset, which can increase runtime. Now, let's discuss report processing limits. Workday limits report processing to 30 minutes for all reports before displaying an error. After 20 seconds, Workday will give you the option to schedule the report to run as a background process. This allows you to continue working while the report generates. You'll receive a notification when it's complete. Workday also limits report processing to 6 hours for background reports, scheduled reports, and web services. After 6 hours, Workday terminates the scheduled background report. So, as a business user, how can you improve report performance? Let's explore a few tips. Optimize report design. When you request your report, include only the necessary fields and filters. Refine prompt values. When you run your report, use specific prompt values to narrow down your data. Leverage scheduling. Take advantage of background processing by scheduling reports to run automatically during off-peak hours, such as overnight or on weekends. Finally, collaborate with your report administrator. If you consistently encounter performance issues with a specific report, don't hesitate to reach out to your report administrator. They can analyze the report's design and configuration and potentially make adjustments to improve its efficiency. Let's shift our focus to another topic that can impact your reporting experience: report access. Workday empowers you with data, but it also has a critical job: keeping that data secure. This means that you can only view the data that you have access to. Workday manages access in a variety of ways. For example, permission levels can be job-based, role-based, or even user-based. This means that different users may have different levels of access to data depending on their responsibilities and requirements. Now, let's discuss how security impacts your reports. We'll start with report access. You might not be able to find and access certain reports in Workday if you don't have the necessary permissions. Displayed data. Even if you can run a report, the displayed data may differ from what a colleague can view due to different access levels. Errors or blank fields. You might encounter errors or blank fields in a report if you lack permission to view certain data points. Finally, report sharing. Your ability to share reports with others may be limited or restricted by your organization's security settings. If you have any questions about your report access, your security administrator is your go-to expert. They can analyze your security configurations and help ensure that you have the appropriate access for your role. We covered key aspects of Workday reporting, including performance optimization, security, and report access. By implementing the tips discussed and working with your report and security administrators, you can enhance your reporting efficiency and ensure you have access to the data you need. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.